Downtown Saratoga, and it is the Koyoty How at the Koyoty Sports Trophy Room Artistry here. Inside Brad Buckner. Now I go estate sailing shopping a lot. I found this wretched, old and rusty knife. Now recently it was Brad's birthday, so we're gonna see what he can do with this. Let's see what he can do with that. Not sharp at all. So let's go inside.
Light them on fire. Put some gasoline down your holes. Did you?
Hey, hey,
Hey, what?
Brad Buckner, how you doing? I found you. So
Yeah.
I missed your birthday. So I know that you're getting old and rusty. So I found something quite the match for you.
Oh. Oh my God. Where do you find these things?
Estate sailing galore. What you got going on, Brad?
That's been in the bottom of a boat or something.
Yeah,
this is totally tarnished, and I mean it's in good shape, but it's in horrible shape. You know? Okay.
So I want to see this over time, this knife change.
Okay. Yep.
So happy birthday, happy belated birthday. There's a
All right.
old rusty knife for an old rusty man.
All right. Well, we'll start changing it.
Let's start changing it right now. Let's see if we can
okay, well,
slice it. Let's start with a slice, and let's
all
just
right.
see if we can make it cut, and I'd be impressed.
Yeah.
Okay,
Good
so
grief.
using one of the sharpensbest.com products, knife sharp. Oh wait, hold on. I'm surprised it's still saws. I didn't even think it was saw.
Well, it has to because it's only 1/16 of an inch wide.
Okay. Just going with earth physics, huh?
Cutting edge, you know.
Wow.
I mean, that is right on the verge of dull,
Wow.
you know.
I wouldn't even try that. Okay, so talk to me.
All right, I'm going to run it through the V for a little bit first. I'm just going to cut some steel right off the edge of the blade on both sides. Go right on out, tip it up as you go through. And so let's see if we can put a little bit of an edge on it kind of fast. So let's do this.
Oh my God.
Anybody for some rust? Just like that. And it's actually probably an old Western, could be a K-bar, could be a Craftsman. I don't know what it is. Some guy that really knows knives would know. I don't know knives. Like that.
Boy, that sounds enough to put you asleep.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Just like that. Oh. So let's take the corners and work on it a little bit different and just mill some of the steel off. How you guys doing? I do sharpen knives free, and I sell knife sharpeners. And right now I'm working on a really trashed old knife just to see what I can kind of hurry up and do for it. Just like that, go right on around.
You're actually bringing some shine at it.
Yeah, I have a series on my YouTube channel called Will It Sharpen and Old Knife, New Life. So it would actually, you know, my newer knives that I sharpen turned out like this. You know, that's right on the verge of sharp. Right, that's right on the verge. Make them cut like this back there. You know, that's a 2-pound blade. So all you got to do to sharpen it is come back at you, away from you, and right on around.
Any
Like
curve,
that.
any configuration, huh?
Yeah, any curve, any configuration. All right, so
All right, where are you on this?
right now I just want a piece of paper so I don't really trash this tablecloth. Just like that. And this would be a perfect candidate for my little work sharp belt sander, of which I will use later, not today maybe tomorrow or the next day, or as we go, and I'll clean this blade up, smooth it all out, polish it out a little bit, fix it. You know, the cutting edge has rusted completely off of that knife. It would be interesting to know where that knife has been for the last 30 years. It's got to be about a 30-year project, rusting it out like that. And it's got a white powder on it, like it was salt water, maybe ocean water or something. So just like that, like this. All right, like that. And I'm just going to clean up the sides a little bit.
Wow. There's a lot of debris coming off of that knife.
Yes, there is. Good. All right, let's see. if it'll do anything. Oh my God.
My God.
It is much, much better.
Whew. And that was just the beginning.
You know, actually, I could easily skin. See how this, see how it bites and won't leave my thumb? Okay, like that, like that, like that. You could easily skin an animal with that. You could probably go around his legs, you know, poke through the hocks, you know, to get your ropes in it to hang him up, and probably skin quite easily deer, elk, antelope, moose with that. I think, you know, when it got put away, it was sharp, but it just rusted the cutting edge right off of it. So I'm just going to do this one more time, kind of quick. All right, like this. And I'm going to put some pressure on it, see if I can rip off some steel. And boy, is it rough. It is pitted to the max. Just like that. I've got to keep it on my paper. Just like this. Tungsten carbide, the hardest metal on earth. 90-degree corners. Slide the 90-degree corner along the blade, just like that. Go right on around. And that is really thick. So, I think I'm going to quit right about here and see how that's much, much different than it was when I got it. So, yeah, it's sharp enough for right now. I'll take my belt sander, clean it all up, fix it, polish the blade, straighten it all out, put a point back on it. That is a long time neglected, abused knife.
So search old rusty knife and see what happens.
All right. This is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. You take care. We'll see you later.
Did that little knife take an edge?
Oh, yeah.